What sets them apart? Let's find out. Intermittent fasting emerges as a beacon of simplicity and efficiency. It's not just about what you eat but when you eat. A transformative approach that taps into the body's natural rhythms to unlock a cascade of benefits. Intermittent fasting can lead to calorie restriction, a key contributor to weight loss. The metabolic benefits, including fat utilization during fasting, make it an effective strategy for shedding excess pounds. So let's take a look at key factors and benefits. Metabolic reset. Intermittent fasting triggers a metabolic reset by compelling the body to tap into its fat stores for energy during fasting periods. This shift not only promotes weight loss but also enhances metabolic flexibility, a crucial factor in maintaining overall health. Simplicity and structure. One of the most alluring aspects of intermittent fasting is its simplicity and structure. Whether it's the 16 versus 8 methods, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, or alternate day fasting, this approach offers flexibility and adaptability to diverse lifestyles. Cellular autophagy. Fasting periods stimulate a cellular cleanup process known as autophagy. This natural mechanism allows cells to remove damaged components, promoting cellular renewal and potentially reducing the risk of age-related diseases. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting has been linked to enhanced insulin sensitivity, a key factor in managing blood sugar levels. This, in turn, can be beneficial for individuals at risk of type 2 diabetes or those seeking to optimize their metabolic health. The low-carb ketogenic diet, a nutritional symphony that orchestrates a metabolic shift, invites you to embrace a lifestyle where fat becomes your primary fuel. It's a metabolic revolution promising sustained energy, mental clarity, and transformative weight loss. Ketosis unleashed. The hallmark of the ketogenic diet is ketosis, a metabolic state where the body efficiently burns fat for fuel. By drastically reducing carb intake and increasing fat consumption, ketosis becomes the driving force behind weight loss and enhanced mental focus. Steady energy levels. Bid farewell to energy crashes and welcome a steady supply of energy throughout the day. The ketogenic diet provides sustained energy without the roller coaster of blood sugar fluctuation. If you are a fan of various sport activities, then keto diet may help you. Appetite suppression. High-fat meals, a staple of the keto diet, contribute to increased satiety and reduced hunger. This natural appetite suppression can be a game-changer for those aiming to control calorie intake and achieve sustainable weight loss. Improved brain function. Beyond physical benefits, the keto diet has been associated with improved cognitive function. The brain's reliance on ketones as an alternative fuel source can lead to enhanced mental clarity, focus, and potentially a reduced risk of neurological disorders. While the intermittent fasting and low-carb ketogenic diet camps may seem like adversaries, some individuals find success in combining elements of both approaches. The synergy lies in incorporating time-restricted eating windows within the context of a ketogenic diet, allowing for the metabolic benefits of both strategies. In the intermittent fasting versus low-carb keto debate, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The ultimate choice depends on individual goals, preferences, and lifestyle. Whether you opt for the time-restricted eating approach of intermittent fasting or the fat-fueled journey of the ketogenic diet, the key lies in personalization. It's about finding the path that aligns with your body's unique needs and fits seamlessly into your daily life. As the battle between intermittent fasting and low-carb keto wages on, remember that the real victory lies in discovering a sustainable, health-promoting approach that resonates with you, a journey toward wellness that transcends dietary dogmas and empowers you to thrive. Both diets have their own set of benefits and potential side effects. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet. To sum it up, intermittent fasting and low-carb keto are two powerful approaches to achieving a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.